In this tutorial, I will guide you how to link your Gaijin account to your Steam. So ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. So maybe if you've downloaded a Gaijin game like War Thunder and other games through your Steam and would like to link your Gaijin account directly to your Steam, follow the instructions. So go to store.gaijin.net. I'll put the link on the description of this video. Now once you go to this page here, select sign in. Now also select sign in, make sure to select use another account. So if you select here use another account, you'll see an option to sign in into your Gaijin using your Steam. So I'll select here Steam, and make sure to sign in into your Steam that contains your game. So ensure that your Steam profile contains your game, whether it's War Thunder or any Gaijin game. So select here sign in. Also select sign in. You'll be able to sign in into your Gaijin account by using your Steam profile. So while you sign into your Gaijin account, you'll be able to go into settings like changing your name and other purchase history and security settings, or changing your account or sign in into the Gaijin portal. So that's it. That's what's required to just link your Gaijin account and your Steam by using the sign in option. As the support team article says here, link your Gaijin account to Steam profile. Unfortunately, Gaijin account cannot be linked to Steam profile in War Thunder. Only the account created via Steam login option can be linked to the related Steam profile. So you can use your Steam profile to log in into your Gaijin portal, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.